So guys, I'm just taking a rest for a while from sewing the notebooks because I'm so really tired today. My face is so really oily. I really hate it. Ang lagkit ng aking face. Kasyang pati ng aking ulo. At is going to the market, local market, and I'm just calm with her. They don't have a cold water. We're gonna go to the market with my sister. The four sisters are going to the market.
Yeah, I'm going to the market.
Four sisters. Kulang na isa.
5.
We're actually 5 sisters, but the one is
7
working
talaga,
at
be, 7.
far away. 7
Oh, si Kuya Gaber.
sisters. You understand that? Sisters, it means all girls.
Alam ko. Sisters.
5. We're just 5, not 7.
Pero
Okay?
kapag buo, 7 tayo.
I'm just talking to sisters.
I know. Screenshot yun. Nandiyan ako.
잊고 살았던 게 너무 많은데 나를 포함한 모든 것들 우리 다시 돌아갈까.
We're going back at the home. Ayun pa rin siya. Hindi siya naalis. Uy, kasi. Wala eh. Inabang mo? Halika na, Ping. Tara na, dali. We're going to the At's house with my cat. Here she is.
Oh, matakatahi ka.
Ang kulit talaga.